This is a factory where data comes alive. Comprehensive data collection. Full 5G high-speed connectivity. Fully digital high-precision modeling. Here, digital intelligence passes through every corner. The thousands of factory devices are empowered by innovative self-developed modular design. Unit replacements, instant switching technology to be made as convenient and efficient as building blocks. It only takes one day to set up a production line. Here, a smartphone can be produced in just 6 seconds. Here, 10 million flagship smartphones are produced every year. With a new generation of productive power, we are illuminating a new beacon on smart manufacturing. The new generation XIAOMI Mobile Smart Factory.